Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about uploading files to AWS S3 to host a static website. I will show you my process and I will mention the issue I faced and how I resolved them. So my process was that I wanted to run this command to deploy my CloudFormation template, which has two resources. As you can see, it has S3 bucket and it has the bucket policy. And I give the stack name, a stack some name, and then I will give the directory to the template, CloudFormation template, to do that. And also, I'm after the resources are created, I want to run this command to copy all the files for my static website to the S3. So I will show you this configuration, how it looks like in AWS console in case you want to do that in there. But you need to block, you need to turn off the block public access, and that's why I made all of these false. And this is the pointer to your index.html, which is the entrance of your static website. And for the bucket policy, you need to give these two action permission, get object and put object. Put object is for allowing me to push the files to the S3, and get object is when it is retrieving and you are navigating to the URL. I would like to also mention the recursive, because you have multiple files in one directory. You need to add this recursive to your command when you are pushing your files to the S3. So first problem I faced was that the role that I was consuming was not allowing me to put the bucket policy. So also the access point public access block that I showed you as a configuration for S3. So I added this permission so that that error is gone. In the CloudFormation, you might face this issue in the console as well. So you need to go to the role that you are using to perform this action, and then you add this action to your role and the policy attached to your role. So I'm inside the bucket. If you go to the properties, I want to show you what properties I am setting in the CloudFormation. So go to the properties tab of your bucket that you created, and under static website hosting, you need to enable it, and then you will give the directory to the index.html here, and that would be all, and it will give you this URL that you can navigate and you can see your website. So if I want to show you again, there is this website configuration and index document. That's all we need to enable that. But if in case of you're doing it in the console, you need to edit this, enable it, give index.html, and then save it, and it will give you this URL. So that was the first thing. And then that configuration that I set to false, that I told you we need to turn this off, that's what you need to do. You need to go to block all public access and turn it off, and this will be public, I guess, after we set the policy, which I show you in a minute. That bucket policy will allow you to make this bucket public. And as you can see, these are all under permission tab for the bucket. So this bucket policy is what I set in my CloudFormation. So as you can see, I set get object and put object. And if you want to do that again in the console, you can do it by editing that here. And I guess that's all. Thank you for watching.